Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be putting a tailgate assist on my 2019 F150. That's what's up next on Cricking Around. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be putting a tailgate assist on my truck. I have a 2019 F150. It's made by the DZ company. I looked at some different ones. A lot of people using those, and they say that they do all right. So we're gonna be adding that on. And moving forward, we're gonna be doing a lot of not a lot, but we're gonna be doing more modifications to my truck. Hopefully within the next couple months, we'll be doing a leveling and/or lift kit, some bigger tires. I'm gonna pull all the badges, the side badges, front, back badges, and I'm gonna black them out. Just some other little things we're gonna be doing, so hopefully we'll be getting some videos out for that stuff. But for now, let's do the tailgate assist. So it's a pretty straightforward installation. In the kit, you get the strut, you get this plate, which is gonna go on the tailgate, this plate, which is gonna mount right here, and a little piece of clear plastic. This to like stick onto here, so if anything was to come loose, it don't scratch your paint up too bad. I don't know how well that'll work, but hopefully we don't never find out. So I took off my strap, put some in there and pry that out, then these will come right off. I already pre-loosened this because of the pain. We're gonna take this plate, we're gonna put it right on there. So now what we're gonna do, on the side of the tailgate, we have these two bolts. This top one right here, we're gonna remove it all the way. And this one we're gonna loosen. So this plate, this cutout will slide over this bolt, and then the other bolt will reinsert back through that one. Oh, that's my bad. We don't put that bolt in. It also comes with a 5mm button head bolt. Now that we're done with that, we got that all put back up. Go ahead and reinstall our line. And these struts are just push on. And that should be it. Got everything tightened up. Everything's good. See how she works. Pretty impressive. When you put these up, there's not really any resistance on it. Put it up normally. Cool. Thanks for watching the video today. If you like what you've seen, how about you hit that like, subscribe, share button? It'd really help the channel out. Until next time.